Hello students, today we're going to talk about how to find radius from arc length and angle of setter. So recall how to find arc length. Well, here. Well, when you are given a setter is part of a circle. So let's say this green part of it, we call it a setter. Well, if you are given a radius r and you are given the angle subtended by the arc, we call it theta. Then to find the arc length is this red part, is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by theta over 360, right? So let's go to see today's examples. Well, first we will talk about 1C. Well, you are given a circle with, you don't know what is the radius. But you know that the arc length of the setter is 5 pi over 9 meter. And the angle subtended at the center by the arc is 50 degrees. That is, now you know that, the angle here is 50 degrees. And you also know that this part, length of this curve, if we call it arc length, is 5 pi over 9 meter. Then what is the radius? Well, we usually use r as the unknown to represent radius, right? So here I let it be r meter. Well, you are given that the arc length is 5 pi over 9 meter. So now set up equation to find arc length in terms of r. That is the angle over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r, right? And then you can start to solve the equation. First of all, we remove pi on both sides. And then we start to make r the subject. So after removing pi, we have 5 over 9 on right hand side. And to remove 50 over 360, we multiply the right hand side by its reciprocal. That is 360 over 50. And also we need to remove 2. Here is times 2, means times 2 over 1. So to remove it, we multiply the left hand side by multiply 1 over 2. And then for this part, you simply use your calculator to find r. So let's do it together. Okay, r is 2. That means the radius of this setter is 2 meters. Yes, with the unit meters. Alright? So next we're going to see B. For 1B, you are given that the radius of the setter is 5 mm. And the arc length is 4 pi mm. And you don't know what is the angle of the setter. Well, we usually represent it by a symbol called theta. So let's see. Now you have radius 15 mm. And you don't know what is the angle. So on a rough paper, you can just draw like this. You don't know the angle. You know that the arc length is 4 pi millimeters. So let's get started. The arc length and in terms of theta is this. So again, to solve this equation, we remove pi on both sides, and then we want to find theta, right? First of all, remove 360 degrees. On the left hand side is divided by 360 degrees. So on the right hand side, we make it multiply by 360 degrees. And then times 2, we make it multiply by 1/2. And then, okay, times 15, we make it multiply by 1/15. So again, use calculator. We have the angle is 48 degrees. So that's all for today. Well, we want to find radius and also angle of sector when some of the information about the sector is given. Alright? Hope you get it and can finish the assignment on your own. Thank you.